What's up, guys? Today I'll be singing another song. It's called Rusted from the Rain by Billy Talent. So yeah, let's get started. I'm tumbled through the wreckage, rusted from the rain. There's nothing left to salvage, no one left to blame. I'm on the broken mirrors, I don't look the same. I'm rusted from the rain. I'm rusted from the rain. Dissect me till my blood runs down into the drain. My bitter heart is pumping all into my veins, but nothing gonna tip me, don't feel any pain. I don't feel any pain. I don't feel any pain. I'm rusted from the rain. Come on, crush me like a flower, rusted from the rain. Come on, strip me of my power, beat me with your chains. And if I'm the king of the cowards, you're the queen of pain. I'm rusted from the rain. I'm rusted from the rain. You haunt me like a picture, now I'm just a frame. I used to be a love dog, now I'm just a slave. Shackled in the graveyard, left into the chain. Left it to the cane. Left it to the cane. I'm rusted from the rain. Come on, crush me like a flower, rusted from the rain. Come on, strip me of my power, beat me when you chase. And if I'm the king of cowards, you're the queen of pain. I'm rusted from the rain. I'm rusted from the rain. I'm rusted from the rain. Come on, crush me like a flower, rusted from the rain. Come on, strip me of my power, beat me with your chains. And if I'm the king of cowards, you're the queen of pain. I'm rusted from the rain. I'm rusted from the rain. Come on, crush me like a flower, rusted from the rain. Come on, take me of my powers, beat me with your chains. And if I'm the king of cowards, you're the queen of pain. I'm rusted from the rain. I'm rusted from the rain. Oh, the sun will shine again. I'm rusted from the rain. I'm rusted from the rain. Oh, the sun will shine again. I'm rusted from the rain. Thanks for watching, guys. That's gonna wrap it up for my video. And drop a like, and subscribe, and comment. And until next time, peace out.